Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and today we have a full body standing workout. No jumping, no floor work. That's right, on our own 2 feet the entire time. It's gonna be great. It's beginner friendly. It's great for all levels, honestly. So we're gonna have fun, and let's get into it. All right, so we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I explain the movements a little bit more, proper form, all that good stuff, super important, more like a demo. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We go straight through the routine. All right, starting with our first exercise, we have small arm circles. We're standing in a strong stance, our feet are hip width apart, bend in the knees, nice straight posture, closed ribs, tucked in stomach, tucked in butt. All right, arms are out to the side, and we're gonna do arm circles forward and then arm circles backwards. So 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward, and you should be making the shape of a baseball, so no more than a baseball. Nice, tight, controlled movement, all right? 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. So forward, tight, 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 using your core muscles to keep you stable and control your movement, all right? Breathing, very good. Woo, it's such a small movement, but so effective. We're only about 30 seconds in almost, and I already feel a burn. So if you move with intention, this can be very effective, all right? So tight, 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 squeezing your muscles, very good. And 3, 2, 1, go ahead, drop them, shake, 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 right back out for backwards, back small circles, very good. Breathing, delivering oxygen to your muscles, remembering that posture, so closing your rib cage. There is a difference between this and this, all right? So closing your rib cage, tucking in your tummy and your butt, it's super, super important for spine health, all right? Very good, push through, we're almost there. Big breath, and 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, drop them, shake it out. Very, very good. Next, we have a squat to overhead press. So feet are hip width apart. We're gonna have our hands on our shoulders, so just kind of lightly resting on their shoulders. They're ready to move upwards because that's what they're gonna do. All right, we're sitting in an invisible chair. All right, we're gonna avoid arching, so nice straight spine. We wanna avoid arching and we wanna avoid being rounded. So straight spine, sitting in that invisible chair, and as you come up, we're gonna press upwards. And then coming down, your hands come back to your shoulders, go in that invisible chair, and like so. All right, if doing both those movements is too much for you, then go ahead and just do your squats, all right? Or you can go ahead and just do your overhead press, all right? Different variations there for you. Big breath, 30 seconds, and let's go. All right, sitting down and then reaching up, very good. If going in a full squat is too much for you, you can go ahead and do half a squat, so coming down maybe 6 inches instead of all the way down, all right? Go ahead and do what's best for you. You're gonna get stronger and more flexible over time. If you wanna even challenge yourself here and do something else, you can do a rotation as you press upwards. Down, and then rotate. Down, rotate. So a bunch of different variations for you. It's fun to play around with what works for you. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Very good, shake it out. Next, we have oblique crunches, and I'm also gonna give you different variations for this one. So, starting for the more simple one, all right, in that strong stance, your arms are by your side and you're gonna reach downwards. So one side and then the other. All right, squeezing your tummy, really feeling it in your obliques here. Closed rib cage, or you can go ahead and put them, your hands behind your head, all right, and reach elbows to the floor. All right, and then an even more challenging way to do this is standing upright and bringing your leg and your knee, your elbow and your knee meet each other. They come towards each other. So knee to the side, elbow meets it. All right, 3 different ways to do that. Big breath, 30 seconds, choose your variation, and let's go. And we are doing 3 sets, so you can go ahead and start here. All right, and then on that second set, you can go ahead and do this one. And then on the third set, once you're warmed up and you feel more comfortable with the movement, you can go ahead and try the more difficult one. Breathing, very good. Remember that rib cage, closed rib cage, strong core, very good. And 3, 2, 1, release, shake it out, very good. Last but certainly not least, we have reverse lunges, all right? So I'm gonna turn over so I can show you. So 1 foot steps backwards, all right, and we come down into a lunge. Now here, if you're doing the full lunge, it's very important to remember that your hip is stacked above your knee and this knee is stacked above this ankle. So nice 90-degree angles here, all right? You don't wanna be too forward and you don't wanna be back, all right? That's not good for your knees. So up and then down, very good. If the full lunge is a bit too much for you, go ahead and just step backwards. So a little bend, all right? There you go, 2 different ways to do it. Choose your variation, big breath, and let's go. All right, take your time, quality over quantity here. Form is so much more important than how fast or how many you do something. Very good, breath, strong upper body as well, okay? The entire body is moving with intention. The entire body is engaged, very good. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1, come up and shake it out. Awesome job, very good. Round of applause. We're gonna take a second, catch our breath, drink some water, and then we're gonna go to set number 2. Alrighty, set number 2, less talking, more doing. We're going straight to the routine. We have our small arm circles, forward 30 seconds, then backward 30 seconds. We have our squat to overhead press. We have our oblique crunches. There's different variations in set 1. If you weren't with us for set 1, different variations for everything. And then our last exercise is reverse lunges, all right? Big breath, starting with our arm circles, 30 seconds forward, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, drop, shake, 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 30 seconds backwards. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Right to over squat with overhead press. 30 seconds, let's go. Three, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, oblique crunches, strong stance, bend in the knees, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good, release. Big breath, shake it out. All right, finishing strong. with our reverse lunges, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up, release. Very, very good. Awesome job. 2 sets, done and dusted. Big breath, take a second, grab water, stretch, breathe, and then we're gonna crush set number 3. Alrighty, set number 3, let's do it. Keep up the energy, you got this, you're doing great. Big breath, starting with small arm circles, forward, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, drop, shake, 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 30 seconds backwards. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Right to over squat with overhead press. 30 seconds, let's go. Three, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Oblique crunches, strong stance, bend in the knees, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good, release. Big breath, shake it out. All right, finishing strong with our reverse lunges, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up, release, very, very good, awesome job. That was it, you did it, 3 sets of your full body standing workout. Let us know in the comments what you thought, and then go to our channel, check out our awesome videos, subscribe, click the bell. That lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on the next awesome workout or recipe. All right, hope to see you there.